YouTube, what's going on? It's your man Tito Barber back with another haircut tutorial. Now this haircut tutorial is going to be real simple. I'm going to be doing a basic comb over. Yeah. So just jumping right into this, we're going to be starting with the lever all the way closed on a cordless Andy Masters. And I'm going to be starting in the temple area up and around the ear, and I'm going to drop it in the back. Now this next step, number one, guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and set up my next guideline. I forgot to mention, I am going up a full inch. Coming in with a half guard, I'm going to close that lever and go ahead and start knocking this guideline out. Now I'm going to open that lever up as I go up on the fade. And it's going to fade right into that one guard with the lever all the way open that I start with. I'm going to close that lever back up and just going back to clean up some areas. Okay, so now we're just going to repeat the same steps, starting out with the lever closed. As I go up on the fade, I open the lever gradually until it's faded. Now in this next step, as I go higher on the fade, I'm going to use a bigger guard. So this is a number 2 guard with the lever all the way open. And this is going to be my third guideline. Now I'm coming back with the 1 guard with the lever all the way open, right up under the 2 guard, and I'm going to be fading this area. Now I'm going to close that lever halfway and knock that line completely out. And I'm going to repeat the same steps around the head. Now I'm coming in with the clip over comb technique. I'm just gonna go in and scoop the hair and only cut the hair that I see through the comb. And I'm just shaping it right now to give it that look that he's looking for. Now this next step, coming back with the 2 guard with the lever all the way open, I'm going to come right up under the comb, clipper over comb, just to blend some of this area that I felt like it need to be a little bit more work. Now this next step, I'm going to be wetting the hair, and I'm going to be sectioning the hair going to start parting it down the sides, and I'm going to start with the middle first. I'm going to be cutting, I'll say, about 1.5 to 2 inches off. Now I got the hair cut down, I'm going to style it with some Elegance holding spray. So I'm going to comb through it until it hardens, until the hair stick in place. So now I'm going to put the period at the end of the sentence. Basically saying I'm going to go ahead and edge him up. Light edge up. He's really light, so you might can't see the lining, but it is there. So look, to me, he already had his sideburns edged up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up what he pretty much did. And he likes to square it off and cut it at mid-ear, cut it off at mid-ear. Alright YouTube, this is the cut. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Also, that notification bell will let you know when I'm dropping my next video. And I appreciate you guys for supporting. Peace.